Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can very easily disable autoplay videos in YouTube application. Friends, please subscribe to our channel, write your comments and be sure to put your likes. So let us get started with you. Please open up the YouTube app on your device. And as you can see, when I open YouTube, I have the very first video playing right away. If I swipe down, any next video will also play. If this annoys you, you don't like it. You can also use this in your mobile data. I'm going to show you now how you can turn this off. To do this, in YouTube, go to the U section. Then in the top right corner, click on the gear to go to Settings. And here, select General. Next, scroll to the very bottom, where you'll find Playback and Channels. And as you can see, there's a few options here for how videos will play on the YouTube homepage. And if you have the very first option enabled, which is Play Always, then of course the videos will always play when you're scrolling through them on the YouTube homepage. To avoid this, you need to either disable it completely by clicking on Turn Off, so the videos will never play at all, or you can choose to only play videos over Wi-Fi. This will help you save your mobile data, because the videos won't play when you just go over the mobile internet to YouTube, but will only play when you go to YouTube over Wi-Fi. Friends, this is the simple way you can disable autoplay videos on YouTube. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please, friends, put your likes, write your comments, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.